Hello everybody, this is Ryan, and I'm your instructor for data assessment this term. I'm excited to get to work with you and get to know you, and I wanted to make a little bit of a video to introduce myself and also introduce you to the course. So again, I'm Ryan, and I'm from Emporia, Kansas. I currently work in teaching and learning at the district office, and I've been teaching at Fort Hays for, 4, 5, 6 years. So I've been doing this a little bit. I'm excited to be able to share what I know with you and also help you to be able to work with data and work with assessments a little bit better. So let's get started. So I want to orient you to the course a little bit. So I always start when I come into our course. I start at Blackboard, and I'm going to go to Students, and I'm going to click on Blackboard. It's always best to access the course materials through Blackboard. That way you've logged into the FHSU site and your credentials are lining up so you can get into what you need to get into. Takes just a minute to load, so while it's doing that, we'll just wait. Then we click on courses. And I'm going to go into our course. So your Blackboard might look a little bit different than mine, but this is very similar. So here's our course. And once this opens up, I want to explain a couple things to you. So on this page, I'll go over a few things. Announcements is the first thing. I'm going to post lots of announcements, and I'll post another announcement tonight about week 1. So here's week 1 right here. And you'll get this intro video tonight, probably just through the community. But I post announcements every week, gives you kind of an idea of when things are due. The next place I want you to go is course materials. This is our course website. This is where all your assignments are located, and everything you're going to do is all here. So what I recommend you do is you come down here to modules, click on it, and then here's all your modules. So your first one is introductory video. So you click on it, open it up. And one thing I want to show you is I want to show you that when this pops up, this is in a Google Doc. So if you want to load this up so you can print it, then you want to click right up here on this little icon. And what it'll do is it'll actually expand it so you can actually open it up and print it yourself on the one page. So here it is. So all of our modules are that way. They're all listed right down this side here, and you run through it. The next thing I want to point out, here's our Google community. This is where you're actually going to post your assignments. You can see some people already posted, and I'll post this video in here in a little bit. But here's where you post your introductory video right here. You just click here. And then you just click right in here. And I'll give you a little tip about this. When you post in a link, like to your, let's say to your projects, post your URL in there and give it a minute to load. It'll actually load an icon or a thumbnail in here. Give it a minute to load, and it'll actually populate a picture of your YouTube video or whatever you have right on your screen. So just give it a minute to load. You'll see what I mean when you start doing it. But so I just use URLs and paste them in there and then get a little picture. Okay. Next thing I want to point out to you is here's your grades. Here's meet the instructor. Here's course syllabus. Here's the course assignment calendar. That's a big thing for you to know when the assignments are due. And you can see this. Here's your assignment calendar. You can see here's your first assignment. And if you want to add this to your Google, you can click right here to add it to your Google page, your Google Calendar. So it'll come up. So that's really all I want to do is I just want to introduce myself and go over the course. Hope you have a good time. If you need help, please let me know. We'll talk to you later. Bye.